What is up, you guys? As you know, every single day this week you're getting a back to school video, and today is going to be one of my most requested videos, and it is how to plan the perfect dorm / apartment space, and bonus, and I'm going to be doing an apartment haul. I've been picking up tons of things for my bedroom, my apartment, and I'm going to be showing you guys kind of how I am planning out this space. I've done another shop with me apartment style that I will leave linked in the cards and down below so that you guys can check that out if you want as well. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are. If you are new to my channel, I am going to be a junior fashion merchandising student at Kent State University in Ohio, and my freshman year I lived in the dorms, pictured here, and then my sophomore year I lived in my sorority house. I'm an Alpha Phi, and our sorority house is apartment style, and here are some photos of that room as well. I'm really switching it up this year. I loved the aesthetic of both of those rooms. They fit me really well, and I absolutely loved them decor wise, but I'm in the mood to just kind of switch it up for my last year. I am moving into an apartment with 3 of my best friends, so it is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment, and I will be moving from a twin bed my freshman sophomore year to a queen bed, so definitely a little bit of difference there. So I did have to go ahead and get all new bedding, which is kind of why I decided to switch up the theme as well, and I'll have my own bathroom, which is super exciting. So today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to create the perfect space for you as well, and like I said, just kind of show you everything I've got. As per usual, I will leave links to everything that you see down below. But yeah, let's get on with the tips. Step number 1 on planning the perfect dorm, apartment, whatever you may be moving into, is to get on Pinterest. I am not someone that uses Pinterest all that much, but when it comes to room and home decor, it is going to be your best friend. Find a picture that you really like, and underneath of it will give you all these suggestions of rooms and aesthetics that look very similar, and from there you can kind of, print out, screenshot that photo, go into TJ Maxx, go into Target, go in wherever it may be, and start picking out pieces that kind of fit that same vibe. So my freshman and sophomore year, I did light pink and gray, and I did black and white prints. The frames that are actually on my bedroom here were the same ones that hung in my room those 2 years, whereas this year I want to do something a little more bohemian, a little more, I want a warmer color palette. I'm going to do ivory instead of white, and I will put some photos here on the screen so that you guys can see kind of what I've chosen this year. So this was the main inspo photo that I am going off of, I guess, to create the room of my dreams this year. Okay, step number 2 is to find a color palette. You want cohesive colors that really work together. In doing so, your whole space will really come together much easier. So my freshman year, white was like the main color, and then my pop of color was pink, and my in-between color was gray. And that really helped pull the room together. Like I said, the room was beautiful, fantastic. And then my sophomore year, I did a little more white, but I kept those same colors. This year, I'm going to be using ivory instead of white, just because I want something a little more neutral, a little more bohemian. And then to replace the gray, I'm going to be doing like a light tan. Honestly, something a little more earthy. Think straw, espadrille, like wicker, that kind of material. And then for my pop of color, I'm going to be using this color right here. It's kind of like an in-between of an apricot and a peach. I really, really like it. And I've got a couple of pieces that I'll show you later on that are like a mix of these hues. Step number 3 is to assess what furniture already comes in your space. So when I lived in the dorm, I had a big wooden wardrobe, and I also had a wooden dresser that had 3 drawers to it. And then my sophomore year, we were provided a wooden dresser, and instead of a wardrobe, I just had like one huge rod. It was basically like an open closet space. My junior year, my apartment is fully furnished. It is a dark chocolate brown wood, and I get a dresser and I get a nightstand, and then I have like an actual closet with a door on it. So that's definitely new for me. But based off of your furniture, you're going to kind of assess, I guess, not only your color palette, but what you want to do with the rest of the space. So for me, my previous furniture worked really well with like black frames, whereas this year, because it's the chocolate brown, I didn't really want to mix chocolate brown furniture with black frames. So I went ahead and got a bunch of white frames, which kind of goes along step number 4, which is to plan out your wall decor. Sometimes less is more. And to me, in all of my rooms, I've always done a large gallery wall. I love it. It really suits me. It's a really easy way to portray my love and dreams and aspirations decorations and kind of just things that I really enjoy on the wall. I love it. All of my prints are from Desenio, my ones on my wall here, and every college space I've ever put together, all of those prints are from Desenio. I actually have a new set of photos for my junior year room right here. Today's video is actually sponsored by them, so big thank you to Desenio for sponsoring today's video. So Desenio offers high quality, trendy Scandinavian wall decor, and they come in all different sizes. So you can get them in 5x7s, 8x10s, 11x15s. You can even get them in like larger sizes, like the beach girl above my bed. And if you are feeling stuck on how to like design a gallery wall that's going to look cohesive, a wall decor that's going to look good together, then I highly recommend checking out the gallery wall tab on their website. In years past, I've just picked out prints that I think would look good together, and I've just gotten a variety of different sizes, and I've just kind of wung it. Like, I've literally just been like, okay, I hope this looks good, and it's always worked out. But this time around, I was like scrolling through the gallery wall page, and I found this one right here, and I absolutely loved it. It really fit that vibe of the Pinterest photo that I had pinned. I felt like it really captured things I loved, the color palette I wanted, and it just gave that bohemian vibe that I really, really liked. So I did pick out a few additional prints for my bathroom as well. I want to do 3 photos side by side in my bathroom to kind of match my rugs and my shower curtain that I picked out. So I'm going to unbox everything here for you guys so that you can see the prints that I got. And I will leave the link to Desenio down below. They are actually having a huge site-wide sale right now, and if you use my code McKenzie you can get an extra 10% off through August 2nd at midnight. Like I said, that does end August 2nd, so you're going to want to act fast. This will, I promise you, complete your space perfectly. My freshman year, a lot of my friends brought like decor that was from all these random places. Like everywhere they went, they picked up another decor piece, and from their grad party, friends and family gave them stuff. And when they put it all together, it just looked like a cluttered, like random mess. And Desenio makes it easy to make everything look super cohesive and polished, and I've done that for years now, and I've always loved the way it turned out. So I actually went ahead and got my frames from IKEA because I had already gotten them earlier in the summer. I went with all white this time around, and I'm actually going to frame all of these now, and then I will show you guys what all the prints look like when I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the 3 prints that are going to be in my bathroom. I really want to keep the bathroom relatively the same color, but I want it to be a little bit beachier, I think. So I got this print right here that's just an ocean. This one says paradise is a state of mind, and my shower curtain's the same color you'll see later. And then I got this one, just a girl in the sand with a hat on. Okay, and then these ones are for my bedroom. All these different sizes will be like scattered throughout to create a gallery wall. I've got this one right here, which is like, not beach grass, I don't know what this is, bamboo, dried bamboo maybe. This one says happiness comes in waves. This one just looks like this. And then there are a few smaller ones, okay? I've got this one that says relax, refresh, reconnect, perfect for the bedroom. And then these 2 go side by side next to one another. One of them is sage green, and then the other one is the like little lemons. And then I got this one that is like the bunch of phases of moons. Cute color. And then this one was supposed to be a 5x7, but the frame that they gave me, like the mat, is a 5x7. So I'm going to try to find a smaller print as well, but this one, as you can tell, is just like a drawing of a naked person. And then for my big one, I got this. I really like the abstract, like cool colors, and I wanted to do something, like what's really important to me this year when designing my space is to create a space that I will want to use in my next apartment. So this is my last year that I will live on a college campus. I will do my full year in Kent, and then I will intern over the summer, and then in August I will leave for Florence, Italy. I will be in Italy from August to December, and then I graduate that December. So I only have 3 semesters left of college. 2 of them will be in Kent, 1 of them will be in Italy, and then after that I will be moving who knows where yet, but I will have my own place. And you know, I want to create something that I will want hanging in that apartment as well. So I'm thinking maybe in my living room in the next space, I would want to reuse these prints. So I love Desenio. They have the best stuff. Like I said, I am very excited to see this vision come to life when I'm at school. Make sure you stay tuned for my move-in vlog and my room tour there, because you guys will be able to see the full thing there. All right, my next tip is to not underestimate the power of curtains. Curtains change the space so much, and most dorms / apartments come with like really ugly blinds. You're obviously not going to take the blinds down. All you need to do is go out and buy a curtain rod. They're like $5, and then buy 2 strong command hooks. What you're going to do is take those command hooks and put them right above the windowsill. Hang that curtain rod up and grab some curtains. This way you can really conceal those like ugly blinds that they give you. It really lets in the natural light, and it really transforms the space and makes it so much homier. I actually had white ones in my freshman and sophomore year place to really let in the natural light. It really opens up the space. I'm still on the hunt for ivory curtains for my junior year apartment, so I will let you guys know if I come across them. Next up, I highly recommend a headboard. I know headboards can be pricey, but they change the space so much. They make it feel like you're not living in a prison cell, and they just really bring the room to life. I had a gray one from Dormify my freshman year, and then my sophomore year, my white and gold one was from Dormico. I'm on the hunt for one for my bed this year. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna have one, just because they obviously get pricier for a larger bed, and I'm only going to be in this bed for 1 year, so I'm still on the fence if I'm going to get a headboard or not, but I highly recommend them. They are all over Facebook Marketplace, and I definitely recommend checking out your school's like buy sell page. I know Kent has a buy sell page, and that's a really good place to find like a freshman who's trying to get rid of theirs for super cheap. There's so many of them, and oftentimes they're only used for like a year or so. All right, I want to show you guys some of the things that I've purchased for my room so far. I'll leave all this linked down below. So first thing I did was grab 2 pillows. I'm going to leave these side by side. I still want to get 1 more throw pillow. I have like 2 regular pillows that will be here, and then I'll have these 2, and then I want like 1 longer one in a lighter version of this color. I'm gonna head to TJ Maxx or Home Goods and see if I can find one, but both of these are from Urban Outfitters. I love them, and they came in a bunch of different colors. They're like that like macrame, like really cool boho material, but they're soft, and they've got cute little tassels along the side. And then I also got my sheets to match those. These sheets are actually from Target, but as you can tell, the color is perfect. I really did not want white sheets in my room this year. I had white the last 2 years, and they just get dirty so quickly. I'm someone who like sweats at night, as gross as that sounds, but they just get like really nasty, and because I wasn't going for true white, I wouldn't be able to bleach them. Like ivory just wouldn't work. So I grabbed these from Target, and these are from the Threshold brand. I'm moving into actually a full extra long bed, but they recommend that you get queen bedding for it since it is a little bit longer, so sheets are going to match that. And then I did go ahead and pick up my duvet cover from Urban as well. I don't want to take it out of this bag just because it's like so perfectly folded. I know I won't be able to get it back, but I'll leave a picture of what it's supposed to look like here. I got the duvet cover, and then I also got the 2 pillowcase covers as well, so both of my pillows will be in this ivory, which is really cute. Like I said, I still need to grab a bed skirt, and then I'm gonna get a throw blanket to leave at the end of the bed that is the same color as that extra pillow. Like I want a lighter pillow than this, and I want the throw blanket to match. I'm still on the hunt for those pieces. And then the last thing that I got for the bedroom itself before moving on to the bathroom is this rug. A rug transforms your space so much. It really opens up the room. This one is from Urban. Again, I don't want to like unfold the whole thing, but this is like a tan and white striped. I love this because I know for a fact I will be able to reuse this. This is definitely more of like a living room kind of rug, I think, but I felt like it matched the bedroom perfectly, and it was the perfect size. So this is a 5x7. I had a 5x7 in my room last year, and it was perfect. This one's a little bit lighter in material, but it's still super soft, so it's not going to be scratchy. And I think with like this, I think it's really going to pull it together. Like I think this is going to look really good together. I'm very excited. And like I said, my furniture in this room is like a chocolate brown, chocolate wood. So I think that everything will work together pretty. Like imagine like these prints with the sheets. Like, this is gonna come together so good, guys. Like, I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Okay, and then for my bathroom, I picked up this shower curtain. It's just like a pale peachy color, and it has tassels along the top of it. And like I said, the prints for my bathroom are going to be like the beachy ones. So these actually match perfectly. I'm so excited to see this space come together. And then I did go ahead and pick up 2 rugs as well, like bath mats. So my bathroom is actually pretty big at school. All of the bedrooms and bathrooms are different sizes and shapes. That way it's like not unfair for someone getting the larger room, you know what I mean? Like, everyone's different. So, I have the larger bathroom, so I got this like runner, and this is like it's more orange than I expected. Like, it's a little rustier than I had hoped, but I actually think that once it's all together, it's gonna be perfect, okay? And then this one I will probably put right by the sink. This is just like a little half circle one, and it's got tassels on it as well, and these are actually surprisingly really soft. These also came in a bunch of different colors, and everything at Urban Outfitters, like in the home decor section, was on sale, so I highly recommend checking them out. My freshman year comforter was also from them as well, and I really like their stuff. And then last but not least, I grabbed this little like straw trash can. Originally I was planning on keeping this in the bathroom, but I actually think I might keep it to put extra blankets in my bedroom. I'm not 100% sure yet. If I can find like an extra basket, I might end up doing that too. But I don't know, I really like this. Like, I'm so happy and pleased with the way everything's coming together. I still need to grab some more stuff, like I said, but for the most part, I have everything and I just can't wait. It's definitely one of my favorite things about like the moving in college process is decorating a space and just seeing it all come together. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are, and I hope that this gave you guys some tips on how to really maximize your space and how to bring your dream dorm / apartment to life. If you guys have any other questions, comments, be sure to leave them down below. I have blog posts up for my freshman year room tour and my sophomore year apartment tour that I will leave linked down below, because if you guys see anything in those photos that you like and are looking for the link, everything will be in those blog posts just for reference. But yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I have a few more apartment shop with me's and things like that coming soon. But that's gonna be all. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.